Hello YouTube, I want to do a review on these Olympia performance gloves. I've had them for a little while. I think they're awesome gloves. They're very cheap, 60 bucks. Um, they still have your hard knuckle pieces here. Got some nice airflows, in your finger pieces here. Then they also have little gel in the palms here. They're very comfortable, double stitched straight in through here around your palm area where it needs to be. Nice velcro. I'm doing this one-handed. Nice elastic band, easy to get your hand on, or I mean in. Nice feel, plenty of room. I really like them.